Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stop dropped frames in Streamlabs or OBS. So firstly, let's go to OBS first. Click on the settings. After that, you have to go to output option. Under this output, you can see here that video bitrate. You have to make you click on this drop down menu and make it smaller as much as you can. Okay. Like I'm doing this 15 kbs 1500 kbs. All right, now you have to click on this advanced option and then scroll down. Then you'll find here this dramatically change bitrate manage, this one, and you have to tick this one, and enable network optimization, so you have to tick this one too. Then you'll find here bind to IP, which should be default. Okay, make sure it is in default mode. After that, you have to click on apply, then click on OK. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.